Welcome back. Today we are going to see our 58th video in 100 days of coding challenge. Today our topic is JavaScript regular expressions. So JavaScript regular expressions, a regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. The search patterns can be used for text search and text replace operations. What is a regular expression? A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. When you search for data in a text, you can use this search pattern to describe what you are searching for. A regular expression can be single character or a more complicated pattern. Regular expression can be used to perform all types of text search and text replace operations. Syntax: we have to just pattern and then modifier. Example: here we are some pattern and then we can modifier after forward slash we can pass modifier. Example explained. W3 schools slash I is a regular expression. W3 schools is a pattern to be used in search. I is a modifier. Modify the search to be case insensitive. Using a string method. In JavaScript, regular expressions are often used with the two string method, search and replace. First one is search. The search method uses an expression to search for a match and returns the position of the match. The replace method returns a modified string where the pattern is replaced. Using a string search with a string. The search method searches a string for a specified values and returns the position of the match. Example: use a string to do a search for W3 school in a string. Here let the text is equal to visit W3 schools and then let n is equal to text dot search W3 schools. The result in n will be 6. Using a string search with a regular expression. Example: use a regular expression to do a case insensitive search for W3 schools in a string. Let text is equal to visit W3 schools. Let n is equal to text dot search W3 schools slash I. The result in n will be 6. Using a string replace with a string. The replace method replaces a specified value with another value in a string. Let text is equal to visit Microsoft. Let result is equal to text dot replace Microsoft W3 schools. Use a string replace with a regular expression. Example: use a case insensitive regular expression to replace Microsoft with W3 schools in a string. Let text is equal to visit Microsoft and in result we are performing operation like text dot replace Microsoft slash I W3 schools. So the result will be visit W3 schools in different format. Sorry, not different format. Here Microsoft is replaced with W3 schools. Did you notice regular expression arguments instead of a string arguments can be used in the method above? And also regular expression can make your search much more powerful, case insensitive. For example, regular expression modifiers. Modifiers can be used to perform case insensitive, more global searches like IGMD. Description is I perform case insensitive matching, G performs a global match, find all, M perform multi-line matching, and D perform a stat and end matching. This is a new feature introduced in ECMAScript 2022. Regular expression patterns. Brackets are used to find a range of character. Like for example here, expression bracket ABC. What is the description of this? Find any of the character between the bracket 0 to 9. Find any of the digit between the bracket X or Y. Find any of the alternatives separated with slash or operator. Meta characters are characters with a special meaning. Here slash D find a digit, backslash S find a white space character, backslash B find a match at the beginning of a word like this, like slash backslash B word, or at the end of a word like this word slash backslash B, backslash U XXXX. Find the Unicode character specified by the hexadecimal number XXXX. Quantifiers define quantifiers. Quantifiers means n plus matches any string that contains at least one n. N star matches any string that contains 0 or more occurrences of n. N question mark matches any string that contains 0 or 1 occurrences of n. Using the regular expression object. In JavaScript, the regular expression object is a regular expression object with predefined properties and method using test. The test method is a regular expression method. It searches a string for a pattern and return true or false depending on the result. The following example searches a string for a character E. For example, here in pattern variable we are assigned E /E/. So pattern dot text, the best thing in life are free. So since there is an E in the string, the output of the code above will be true. So here there are E, so it will return true. You don't have to put the regular expression in the variable first. The two lines above can be used to shortened to one, like E dot text, the best thing in life are free, so it will also work. So it will also return true. Using exec the exec method is a regular expression method. It searches a string for a specified pattern and returns the font text as an object. If no match is found, it returns an empty or null object. The following example searches a string for a character E. For example, E.exe, it will also return true. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kinds of doubts, you can comment down. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.